Hello everyone, I'm Daniel and welcome to Dennis channel. Today tutorial I will teach you on how to create budget for 2021 in under 5 minutes. Let's start. Okay, so first you go to the row A2, you create a date, there you create a day, and then you create occasion. Okay, date you create 1 Jan, drag until 31st January because we have January, so Jan, then they start with Friday. Okay, what is the question happen on the Friday is basically you have New Year, new me. Okay, next let's add some nice tick box over there. So next what you need to have, what is money in your hand, liquid asset in your hand, basically like what is cash, what is money in your bank A, money, for example you have 2 bank, what is your money in bank B, and you treat this as asset. So cash, I say I have around 500, bank A I have 4,000, example, bank B I have 4,000. so that is what is your outstanding debt. So outstanding debt is not your all debt, but debt that you expect to pay in that month only. So example of outstanding debt is credit card A, from credit card A, and then maybe mortgage, and then car loan. Example like credit card A, I have 500, mortgage is around 180,000, car loan I need to pay 500 monthly, 500 monthly. Okay, then finish about this thing, create another sorry, what's this? Okay, you click here tick border, and then here you, because you always scroll you cannot see, then easy you go freeze pane, click freeze top row. I need to have until here, up until here, tick border. So you just click freeze, no, you just click here, and then view, you click freeze top row, sorry, freeze, you click freeze here, freeze pane first, and freeze pane. So sorry, freeze pane, then freeze pane. So nice, you can see now it's nice. When you scroll it not go down. Okay, then after finish this, what you need is to have what is basically you spend in that day. So it's basically you need to have paid what is your transaction in, then transaction out. So example, I earn salary today is around 3k, but I spent today in grocery around 300. So you also want to know what is basically 3,000, what is 300. So this is what is your money earned. So you say money earned is from salary. Okay, money spent, and you say money spent is from grocery. So done for here. Okay, then just another tick box. So here is just to know what is your net value you have. So net value is on that day is what is your cash asset plus outstanding cash. So I say sum here minus sum of here. It is your net value for that day, and what is your net spending, net value, net spending. So net spending here is, for example, is transaction out minus transaction in. This is your net spending, and this is to check whether your calculation is correct or not. Usually is on the second day. For example, like you pay grocery here through the cash, so here you left is 500 minus the cash, so you left 200. And band A, you basically you earn salary in your band A, so band A plus transaction in, and then everything else is just same. So just these are for your second day. Let's say you doesn't have any spending, so you can drop down here. Then you need to click consolidation just to check whether your calculation of net value is correct or not. So basically is net value minus net spending equal to your second day net value. Okay, so here we tick box again, and here another tick box again, and then here is another tick box again. Now you done a simple budget for 2021. Then you can just copy this one to January, February, March, April. So thank you for view our tutorial. See you guys for next episode, for next tutorial. Thank you.